Hello. Okay, I just filmed my Hobonichi haul featuring my work planner and my journal for the year. If you would like to watch it, here's a card. But I figured that I would show you my personal planner as well, which is going to be the Starbucks planner. I have been collecting the Starbucks planner since it started years and years and years ago, maybe over, I think almost 20 years ago, maybe. So it's kind of like a tradition now, and I don't really have to exert that effort to collect the stickers. I'm always at Starbucks getting coffee. It's the nearest coffee shop from my workplace. Well, it's in my office building, so I'm always there. I know it's the middle of January, but I'm just getting around to unboxing this, and I will have to catch up on the first few weeks, I guess. Okay, so let's see. Let's try to open. This is the box. I actually haven't really been that into the Starbucks planners in recent years, but I really want to not waste this planner this year. The year before that, I lost the planner. I think that was the 2024 one, and then end up using it. Of course, I found it the year after, and then last year's planner kind of was bugging me. I don't know what it was. I guess it was the format or something, or the paper. But it didn't work for me, and I just stopped using it. So that's pretty much actually part of why I did plan it all last year. So here's a box. I didn't notice that it was upside down. Let's open it. Hopefully this looks better this time. Okay, this is nothing new, I guess. Really looks familiar, very similar to their past planners. I like the color. I really love blue and orange, so this works for me. And I guess that it comes in a case. I thought that was the planner itself. Oh, okay. Wow. Ooh, so we get a pencil board, which is nice. I'm assuming this is a pencil board, or at least like really thick cardstock. And these stickers are nice. They're huge though, so I guess you're supposed to put them in the planner, but the planner is small. Maybe it's for the tumblers, the water bottles, I don't know. I have to do my research and check the Starbucks page. And it comes with a pen, which is nice. It's pretty solid and heavy. I like that. Oh, I like it. Let's see. There's a checklist for the monthlies. I don't know how I'll use that. Okay. So here we go. This is the problem again with the layout. It might work for some people, but it just doesn't work for me. But I will really try to use it because I don't want to waste it. So that's Monday to Sunday, and then this is this tiny. There's this tiny space for notes at the bottom, and then you get, I guess, more notes. Yeah, note pages at the end of the month, which would work if I'm using it as a work planner, but I don't know how it will work if I'm using it as a personal planner. And then it has notes pages in the back also. I think it's pretty. It's showing the different branches of Starbucks and featuring the artwork, I guess, in the cafes. Okay. Cool. Pretty. Then I like the space here. Will this pencil board fit in here? Oh, it does. It does not. Okay, it does. And then let's put the stickers here. And there are two pockets, weirdly enough, like two shallow pockets there. And no pockets in the back. And that's it. One big pocket here. More space for, you have space for another pen there. Okay, cute enough. This is going to be my personal planner. I really promise that I will use it this year. Cute. Okay, that's it. That was a quick video. Just to unbox it. I'll do another video when I have my full setup for this. Okay, that's it. Till next time. Bye.